How does your body heal after a sunburn really fast? The answer lies in your skin's incredible repair system that kicks in immediately, working behind the scenes to fix the damage faster than you might think. The moment your skin feels the burn, it signals an alarm. Blood vessels dilate, flooding the area with immune cells and nutrients that start repairing damaged DNA and cells. This inflammatory response causes redness and heat, but it's essential for jump-starting healing fast. Your skin cells activate repair enzymes that fix DNA mutations caused by UV rays. Meanwhile, damaged cells start to die and peel off, making way for new healthy cells. This cycle helps your skin recover quicker, preventing long-term damage. To speed healing, your body also retains moisture in the sunburned area. Hydration prevents excessive peeling and helps new skin cells form a protective barrier. Drinking water and moisturizing can support this natural process, aiding faster recovery. Your body's healing after a sunburn is a remarkable, rapid process driven by inflammation, cellular repair, and hydration. Understanding this can help you support your skin better. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.